Ayan, ano lang to aking live ngayon guys. Sandali lang to. Kasi malapit na mag-dead yung aking battery. Nawili kanina nakangita og kanang kuan ba. Vlog ba ganiha ba para may i-upload na premiere. Pero parang walang kwenta yung na vlog ko kayo. Pero walang tinta. Walang kwenta oy. Jean Barona Vlog, hello from Sis Jean White. Ayan. Sa mga gandang dilag dyan, maraming salamat guys sa ating 4 milyones. O diba, may 4 milyones ako dyan mga ganda. Ayan. Kape time. Nagbili ako ng kape doon sa kape chamang. Uy, kapait si inianing kape nila di ay. Super pait kasi pait na pag-iibig niya. Hi, dear teachers, couple talks. Miguel, shout out. I'm drinking coffees. So bitter. Ay, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Miguel, shout out. Tamsakos, good afternoon. Mas good ka pa sa afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Dahil good ka pa sa afternoon, bibigyan kita ng jacket dyan. Ayan, para mag-blow ka na. Ayan, Mr. and Mrs. Smith. How are you, my 60 wife? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much for... Naklik ko yung video ni, Yan pag isa lang phone ko. Thanks ho sa moderator. Ayan, you're welcome. Thanks to... Naklik ko yung ni... Hello, cuteness! Miguel, shout out! Good afternoon. Magandang hapon. Hapon na pala ngayon. Hapon na, it's already 5:15. Singapore, Philippines time, same time. Like, thank you so much sa pa-like. At sa mga nag-like, I like you guys. Ay, ikaw ka pala yan si Benjamin. Ayan, maraming salamat. Ayan, cuteness, thank you so much. Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat na lang dyan. Dear wife, please promote my channel. Okay guys, please promote. I promoted Teachers Couple Talks. Please connect the one that I pinned. Teachers Couple Talks. If you are not connected with him, please connect. Ay. Ayan, I already promote your channel. Ayan, I promote cuteness too. Ayan, si Mr. and Mrs. Smith, si Benjamin Robin. Ayan, pala-blab na po. Si Jean White, si Jean Barona. Ayan, maglablabang kayo guys. Pero siguro naman mga dikit na kayo dyan, kaya thank you so much my cute wife. O, sana all wife. Sana all wife na lang talaga. Ay! Happy Sunday! Happy Sunday talaga na dyan. Thank you so much. Hello, sis Nix and Buds. Hello, host Miguel, shout out sa lahat. Miguel, shout out din sa iyo. Nix and Buds vlog. Tamsak, thank you sa patamsak. Ay, nabusog ko sa kaping mapait. Ayan, maraming salamat sa nandyan. Nix! Kuan ko ba? Ang kape ba? Ako gipalit na kape ba? Kasing pait ng pag-ibig ng ex ko. Kaya ayan, pinagtiyagaan ko lang kasi sayang naman yung binili ko. Dear wife, please contact me in WhatsApp, please. Sometimes I don't have time to open my WhatsApp picture, so I'm sorry because I'm very busy my work. Hi, I'm the Monster Gaming. Miguel, shout out. Hello. Happy Sunday. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Thank you so much. Mega love shout out at Monster Gaming. Thank you. Happy Sunday. Blessed Sunday. Thank you for visiting my live. Yes, hello. Sabi, ay, what happened? My God. Nangyari sa ko? Ano ba yung pindot ko yung may green? Ayan. Ayun pala yung ko, sexy ko, no? Ay, 5 milyones, Nixon Buds. Thank you so much. Si Kuya Jin, thank you. Ayan, super. Ayan, nagpaano ako ng picture